In this video, I'll be sharing with you a new airdrop that is ongoing right now. You guys remember Super EX, the way they did wonders, and many people cashed out millions of naira and some millions of dollars. Now, in this video as well, I'll be sharing with you a unique platform that is like a Super EX, and it is called PizzaEx. Okay, now what you need to do when you click the link in the description of this video, you'll be brought to this page and you will see this sign up with phone or email. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will decide whether to use your email or your phone. I believe many people will prefer to use email address, and I prefer to use my email address as well because it will contain much more data as they will be sending me notifications. Now, when you put in your email address in the first section here, put your password here, your login password, put it here, confirm the login password here, then click on get verification code. The verification code will be sent to your email, so copy the email verification code they sent to you and put it in the dynamic code here. Leave this last section as it is my referral code. You need to get this referral code, even if it is optional. It is always best to use someone's referral code so that you'll be in the block of chains or blockchain of people who are on that platform. So if you decide to go independently, you will suffer independently when you need to get more information. But if you are under someone and the person confirms that you are under him, he will tend to help you. So that is my kind of person. If you register through my link, I will make sure to carry you along. Okay, so make sure to have my referral code here and you do click on sign up. After signing up, the next thing you'll be asked to do is to put a security password. So use another security password or any password that is different. Pay attention, use any password that is different from your login password. If you put your login password as your security password, it won't be accepted. So find something else that is different from your login password, put it there and log in. Now when you successfully sign up, you will be seeing a page, but you find it very difficult to locate your balance. When I registered, I claimed 1 million pieces, and that 1 million pieces turns out to be around $2,055. That is about 1.5 million naira or 1.6 million naira in Nigerian currency. So if you successfully register, you will see this download button here to download the app. Click on it. When you click on it, of course you see that this is a Chinese platform, and Chinese are very good in cryptocurrencies, so that's why I trust this project. The team behind it is wonderful. Okay, they are very, very good, just like Super ES is very, very good. Now you click on this first one. If you're an Android user, click on this first one to download the app. Click on the second one to download the app for iOS user or iPhone users. Okay, so after doing that, log into the app. Let me show you the app. Hold on, sorry. Let me show you the app. Now this is how the app looks like. The app is easy, very easy to navigate. So once you log into the app, put in your email and password, you will come over to this area that says fund at the bottom of the screen, bottom right. You see fund, then this is your CD. And if you look over here, the trading account 100% is $2,058. Even over here you see it there. If I click here, so you can see $2,058. 1 million pieces of CD is what I received. If I click on it, you will see registration reward 1 million pieces. Now the 1 million pieces, of course, is frozen, and you can convert it to get your US dollar, which is $2,058. Now the reason why it is $2,058 is because this coin is currently trading at 0.002035. okay, it's not listed yet. That's why the price is very, very stable. Like, it's not even moving. Okay, and this is to show you that once this coin lists, it is very easy for it to hit 10 cents or $1. And if it hits 10 cents with the 1 million pieces you have, you know how much it's going to be. If it hits $1, if you have 1 million pieces, that means you have it's $1 million that you will be seeing in your account. But how do you unfreeze it as it is frozen? How do you unfreeze it? That is what we'll be finding out in the next video I'll be making on this.